Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic headlight bulb 2015. Park on level ground, turn off ignition, and open the hood. Remove the headlight access cover or wheel well panel depending on trim. Unplug the bulb connector, release the retaining clip, and remove the old bulb by pulling straight out. Install the new bulb without touching the glass, secure the clip, reconnect wiring, and test the headlight. Before you start, lay out tools and the new bulb so everything is at hand. Make sure the car is cooled and parked with parking brake engaged. If access is tight, remove the wheel or the inner splash guard for more space. Keep small parts organized in a tray to avoid losing clips or screws. Take a photo of the original setup if you want a reference for reassembly later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more how-to-car guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort that keeps you focused on the job. I toss a pair in my kit for long garage days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by locating the bulb access cover and removing it to expose the connector. Unclip or unscrew any retaining hardware, then unplug the electrical connector from the bulb. Remove the old bulb with a straight pull while supporting the assembly. Fit the new bulb by lining up the tabs, secure the retainer, and reconnect the wiring. Replace covers or panels, close the hood, then turn on the headlights to confirm alignment and brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.